Hello guys, today we're going to do harvesting fruit and vegetables. So this is the cherry tomatoes. This is the black tomatoes. This is already split. So let's harvest this cherry tomatoes. It's the weather is getting cooler and it's getting autumn. So this so look at this, guys. This is the black tomatoes. I think I just mix. There is still one green over there. So I just cut it like that. So I just leave the green one. Okay, this one more. So that's it for the tomatoes. Okay, so let's go over there. Oopsie. Oh, it fell down and it cracked. Yes. Look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? So pretty. So pretty. So I take all of them. So there is still green in there, but it doesn't matter. So that is the tomatoes, and now we're going to harvest the grapes. Okay, so look at this, guys. It's been eaten by birds. Look, the bunch is less. So,
Bon appetit.
oh dear. So we have to harvest as well, so we can eat some, and the birds can eat some too. Look at that. Oh, there. So pretty. I think that's enough for these grapes because we cannot finish it, isn't it? So we'll harvest again next time.
If there's any left.
Because there are some more green in there. So it's not properly ripe yet. And this is it's so dry. This is the last harvest of the strawberries. This strawberries, and these are still, so they're not fully ripe yet. They're still red, so they're starting to get black.
Blackberries.
This is blackberries. Okay guys, so this is the harvest for today, the grapes and tomatoes. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Tara! Love, love, love.